How to transfer money from your Safe to Wise account. So first, you just have to log in to your Safe account. Or if you don't have an account, and then you have to register first. They will just ask for your email address, strong password, and then you have to fill in some information needed to fill in. And then what you're going to do here is to click this transfer money that is next to transaction. So once you click this transfer money, then you will see options below. And what you're going to do here is that to look for the option international wire slash Swift. So you can see here, make one out transfer. So you can see the following, but what we're going to use at this time is this international wire slash Swift. Why? Because paying by SWIFT is possible with Wise. SWIFT payments, also called international wires, are a type of international transfer sent via the SWIFT International Payment Network. And yes, it's possible with Wise. So what you're going to do here is to fill in the information such as beneficiary name, account, street, SWIFT code, town, city, postal code, SWIFT code, but this one is optional, the country, and then you can see beneficiary if you want, the key amount to be transferred, okay, change the currency, and then you can also take a note here or leave a note here, but this one is optional. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is to click confirm, and then you just have to review everything here under confirmation, review all of the details that you have input, and then after that, you have to proceed with the done. Once done, then way to go. You have already transferred money from your Save to Wise account. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.